Welcome back, you guys. I'm Kolie, and I'm here to do another video, which will be an unboxing and review for the Urban Tarot by Robin Scott. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos, and let's get going. So this is the box. This is, let's see what's on the back. Love letter and 78 cards. 84-page guide to the deck with commentary by the artist. Okay. Urbantarot.com. Okay. There's just some pretty pictures on here already. This is the book. Okay, I go through it this way. So we'll get back to that in just a sec. These are the cards. They are pretty, a little huge from what I see. It has a little message in the box, if y'all can see that. Let y'all read that. You can pause it. And this is the deck. So let me get my scissors. Let's see. Open this deck. Let's see. Looks like a little card there with the little tell you about the elements, a guide to the symbols. Okay, this is the deck, you guys. It feels glossy, thick. I like the way it feels. See, it's pretty thick there. Gonna be a good shuffle, I'm sure. Let's get to the deck. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Let me kind of bring it down so you guys can see it better. And that's the full. The mag. That's pretty. He has the piano, all the symbols. Those candles. Looks like he's just thinking about his next move. The High Priestess. Looks like she's daydreaming. And like some, look like maybe some flowers in there, rose petals, but like the purple, or maybe some purple bath water stuff. The Empress. It's like the sun shining through the window. The Emperor. He looks mean. That's another word. The Hierophant. The Lovers. The Chariot. Looks like he's in the rain there. maybe looking out for something. Is that that looks like, oh, maybe just be the shadow from the light from his car. Justice. Blindfolded on this one. A cop at that. The Hierophant. I'm sorry, the Hermit. I don't know what's this in the background. Looks like some dogs there. Yeah. The Wheel of Fortune. That's pretty. Looks like some type of Egyptian lion, maybe. Strength. The Hanged Man. Let's see how it looks this way. Oh, he kind of look like the Joker. A little bit that way. But he's chained. It looks like money's up there. Money, phone, credit card. That's going to be interesting to interpret. Death. Wow. Wow, this is unique. What are those spiders? Spiders crawling? No? Yeah, could be. Yeah. Look like spiders. I'm sorry, I can see that. Wow. This is powerful, this picture. Art. The Devil. Yeah, he looks like he's just sitting in the restroom. Thinking. The Tower. That's some type of hand coming out the water. Looks like, can't really tell what that is. In the Tower. The Star. The Moon. Wow. She has an alligator, and what is that, a wolf? Looks like a wolf. What do you guys think? Yeah. The Sun. Cute little boy. The Aeon. Aeon. The Universe. Some of the names are different, but I'm sure to tell you what the names mean in the cards. Or you can just follow the picture and it'll give you an idea which card it is for that particular photo or design. Ace of Wands. Wow, now that's pretty. Dominion. Maybe y'all can help me with that. But I like those. It's really cute. That's very powerful too. 3 for 3 of Wands, Virtue. Is this the 3 of Wands? Or the 3 of Swords? We'll see. Completion. I guess the 3 of Wands. Strife. 5 of Wands. Yeah, it's the Wands. Victory. I kind of like how that was. I forgot the name of that game that you play. Valor, which is the 7 of Wands. Eight of Wands. That's cute. It's on her bicycle. Fortitude, which is the 9 of Wands. There's all the wands there. Oppression. 10 of Wands. So he's going to jail. Or in jail, not going. That really is a burden. The rock star. That's cute. I like that it looks so real. All the good details in the cards. The public defender. That's interesting. Queen of Wands has her lion. I'm sorry, tiger. Yep. She ain't playing. The journalist, Prince of Wands. I got something to say. The dancer, Princess of Wands. So I got the prince and the princess. But that doesn't look like a... Okay. I have to turn it this way to see if she was a princess. Let's see that. The Ace of Cups. And it's really relaxing and beautiful. Yep. Got the cup there. And the waterfall. That's pretty. Love. That's cute. Looks like she's with her mom. Or maybe sister. Both studying something. Or looking up something on a computer. Abundance. That's gorgeous. Big old cake here. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Luxury. I guess if you call it luxury, he got his milk here. Milk, 3 glasses of milk, 1 spill, cookies. And they just relaxing. That's how I look at it. It's a Four of Cups. I don't know about that one. I don't see how that's luxury, and it's the Four of Cups. I guess if you look at if you think about it, so disappointment. Like a little desk with the cups, a dining desk. I forgot what you call those type of dining desk, dining room desk. Pleasure. That's really interesting. Let's get it on. Debauch. Debauch. Looks like the Seven of Cups. That's gorgeous now. That's really gorgeous. I like the different colors, the different color cups. Looks like different margaritas or different fruit drinks. Like they having a good time, maybe at a club. Looks like that in the background. They're just having a good time. And this is the Eight of Cups. Indolence. Looks like nobody there. Just cups and gone with the wind. Happiness. Sanity or Sadie. Yeah, that's really pretty. The Ten of Cups. So gorgeous. The Seducer. The Therapist. Queen of Cups. So this is the Knight of Cups. The Seducer. Queen of Cups, the Therapist. I like the way their interpretations of the cards. That's at the bottom, the little short key meanings. The Filmmaker. And you guys, if you would like this deck, I will leave it in the description box below. And it's the Prince of Cups. The Filmmaker. That's cute. The Costume Designer. That's really cute. It has so much details in the cards. Ace of Swords. It's really pretty. Peace. Two of Swords. Sorrow. Three of Swords. Now I really like that. That's really different. Is that paint? Like a little brush there. Truce. Defeat. That's cute. I like that. Looks like the casino machine. They playing poker. Maybe it's just cards. Science. And that's gorgeous with that snake. I like that. And this is the Six of Swords. This is going to be a different interpretation. They have the swords and is that a heart? Yeah, that's what it looks like to me. futility. It's the Seven of Swords, the Eight of Swords, interference, Nine of Swords, cruelty. Yeah, it's definitely that. It's a little baby doll right there with the bottle. That's going to be a good interpretation. The Ten of Swords. That's pretty. There we go with me. Like the colors. That's cute. The Game Master. The Knight of Swords. Wow. That's pretty. The Painter. I just love all these cards. They are really gorgeous. And you can see everything. You have so much to talk about. The Hacker. This is the Prince of Swords. That's a good one. The Hacker. The Activist. Princess of Swords. So it's good they got a prince and a princess in the deck. Ace of Discs, which is Ace of Pentacles. I'm just going to say the Two of Pentacles. Change. Three of Pentacles, worry. Four of Pentacles, power. The nightlife. Five of Pentacles, worry. Oh, wow. Just getting an exam done. Yeah. I am loving these cards. Yes, I am. Six of Pentacles, success. Seven of Pentacles, failure. Nine of Pentacles, prudence. Really working. Work. Nine of Pentacles, gain. Ten of Pentacles, wealth. Knight of Discs, which is Knight of Pentacles, the gourmet chef. I like that. Queen of Discs, the matriarch. That's cute. Really pretty. The Day Trader. Stocks and whatnot. Prince of Discs. And the Princess of Discs. The kindergarten teacher. Isn't that lovely? I really like these. And this is the back. Excuse me. And let's see here. And so, most likely you're going to have to shuffle like this. So, because you won't be the other way. You have to widen your hands all the way out that way. And who wants to do all of that? So, that's the way to shuffle. And as I do a collective, a card for you guys, It should be the Fool. Okay, that's a good one to start out with. And I'm not going to read much. Let me just see here. In the book, I'm just going to read the first paragraph. Our story of the tarot begins with the Fool, the first card of the major arcana, but also a bit separate from the rest. We number it 0 in a way. It is not quite the beginning of the journey, so much as it is the feeling we have before we take that very first step. So you guys want to read that? You can pause it. But yeah, this is the book, so it doesn't have any pictures. But it does have a good size paragraph for each card. Let's see. Let me see what's in here. A guide of the symbols, as far as it tells about this card here. And here, and then it goes into the meanings of all the cards. I don't see any like spread or anything. I'm trying to see if I saw one, but so far I don't see one. Or different things along with the deck that you can do. So there you have it, you guys. This is the Urban Tarot. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.